drawing a heart in an envelope.
You ready to get started? We're going to go ahead and find center, and we're just going to make a little smiley face.
Center?
And this is actually the smiley face, so yeah, you could go a little lower.
Here?
Yep, and it's going to be our smiley face. Nice. All right, now right over here, we're going to draw a big circle.
A giant.
Yeah, I did do a giant one. And on the other side, we're going to draw
a big circle.
Another big circle.
It looks like a bug.
It does look a little bit like a bug.
Because bugs have giant eyes.
And as we usually do, we're going to draw a little circle right inside here. Same thing on the other side. A little circle inside. And we're going to color in the big part with our black.
I like the smell marker.
Me too.
It reminds me of drawing.
And you sure like drawing, I'll tell you that much. Alright, now coming up above it right here, we're going to draw a mountain. It's going to be a heart. So, good. And then the other side.
A heart envelope. That's what I want to call it.
Actually, I could bring mine down a little lower, like yours. Now from here, we're going to draw a short diagonal over on this side, followed by another short diagonal right over here. Good. Now we'll draw a diagonal going up on this side. Same thing on the other side, a diagonal coming up and in. Now we don't want to have a point at the top, but we're going to curve it over from this side over to the other side. Now let's draw a line just continuing this diagonal going down. Same thing on the other side, just continue that diagonal coming down a little bit further. Looks great. All right, now we're going to draw a straight line starting way over here and bringing it all the way across. Make sure those diagonals connect to this straight line. There you go, keep going. Little longer. Perfect. All right, now we're going to bring this line up over here, and we want it to be a little higher than that center mountain.
Right here?
Yep, right about there. All right, same thing on the other side. A little higher than the mountain, and connect it with the bottom line. Now we want to come back to this little diagonal, and we're just going to extend it out to connect it with this line out here. There you go, and the same thing on the other side, extend it out and connect. Nice. All right, let's come back over here, and we're just going to draw a diagonal that comes up and connects to our heart. Good, same thing on the other side, diagonal in, connecting to the heart. Perfect. Now, we want to act like this diagonal came all the way up behind the heart, and we're just going to connect it over to the other side. Not quite pointed, just a little mountain that goes up and over. Just like that, you got it. I think our heart needs some eyebrows, so let's add those.
I think yours is going to be a girl, so you're going to add eyelash.
I am. You're right. Good guess. And I'm guessing yours is going to be a boy. I knew it. And there she is. She's done. Well, he's done for yours. All that's left now, how about we get those markers and let's start coloring.
Ready to see your final drawing? 3, 2,
1, boom! Ha! Those turned out so cute.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, they look so cute.
I think you did a really good job. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
That's all that matters. All right, we'll see you guys again next time for another